Are your hands tingling? Are your legs feeling weak lately? Don't worry. It might not be just aging. It could be a collagen deficiency. But here's good news. Certain fruits are nature's secret weapon to restore your strength, support your joints, and even improve your skin. Today, we're revealing 8 collagen-rich fruits you must eat after 60 to feel stronger, healthier, and more energetic. Number 1. Kiwi. Kiwi is more than just a tangy green fruit. It's loaded with vitamin C, which boosts natural collagen production. Just one kiwi gives you more than 70% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C is essential for maintaining strong, flexible joints and healthy blood vessels. Plus, it helps prevent muscle loss, ensuring your legs stay strong and steady as you age. But that's not all. Kiwi also contains unique antioxidants called carotenoids. These nutrients support healthy nerve function, improving sensation in your hands and feet. Say goodbye to tingling and numbness and hello to a more vibrant, active life. Number 2. Oranges. Did you know that oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C and antioxidants? These little spheres of sunshine are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can make a big difference in your life as you age. The vitamin C in oranges helps rebuild damaged tissues and promotes flexibility in your joints. This can be especially beneficial if you've been experiencing stiffness or discomfort in your hands and legs. But that's not all. Oranges also contain fiber, which aids digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Good gut health is essential for overall well-being, and it can help boost your immune system too. So if you're over 60 and looking to maintain your mobility and vitality, don't forget to add some oranges to your diet. Number 3. Guava. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C among all fruits, containing even more than oranges or lemons. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can make a big difference in your life as you age. The vitamin C in guava supports collagen formation, which is important for maintaining strong bones and healthy skin. Additionally, guava is rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system. This can help keep you feeling energized and prevent illness, which can be especially challenging as you get older. But that's not all. Guava also contains dietary fiber, which is important for maintaining healthy digestion. By incorporating guava into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall health and well-being. Number 4. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only delicious and high in vitamin C, but also packed with manganese, which is important for maintaining strong bones and healthy joints. Plus, their antioxidants help fight free radicals that cause aging and joint pain. As you age, it's important to maintain strong and flexible joints so you can stay active and independent. And strawberries can be a delicious addition to your diet that can help you do just that. 5. Papaya. Papaya is not just a delicious fruit, but also packed with vitamin C and which were important for maintaining healthy skin and strong joints. Its enzymes also aid digestion, which can improve nutrient absorption and reduce bloating and discomfort. If you're experiencing knee or hip discomfort, papaya can be a helpful addition to your diet. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious and high in vitamin C, but also packed with anthocyanins, which are important for protecting nerves and maintaining healthy blood vessels. Plus, they contain fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and support healthy digestion. As you age, it's important to maintain strong bones and healthy blood vessels. And blueberries can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet that can help you do just that. They can also help with balance and coordination, which can reduce the risk of falls. Number 7. Mango. Mango is not only a delicious and refreshing fruit, but also packed with vitamins A and C, which are important for maintaining healthy skin and strong joints. As you age, it's important to maintain healthy skin and strong joints. And mango can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet that can help you do just that. Whether you enjoy it fresh, blended into a smoothie, or as a tasty salsa, mango is a versatile fruit that can be incorporated into many different dishes. Number 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only a delicious and versatile ingredient, but also packed with lycopene and vitamin C, which are important for maintaining strong bones and healthy skin. As you age, it's important to maintain strong bones and healthy skin. And tomatoes can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet that can help you do just that. They can also help reduce inflammation in joints and nerves, which can improve mobility and reduce pain and discomfort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips. And comment below. Which fruit will you start eating today? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.